Actually, this project here is one of the most prestigious projects in the country right now for ice rink renovation here. Division I school, Mariucci, #1, in my eyes, #1 in the nation regardless. You're looking at 192 feet, 200 feet by 92 feet wide. This rink here has got 56,000 feet of 1¼ welded steel pipe. Flow rate at 1,350 GPMs. That is chilled down in the mechanical room, and the fluid is transferred to this floor through this network of piping that you see. People don't see this because this is covered by 6 inches of concrete, which the tubes are only down 1.5 inches. So it's quite a process. And underneath there's a layer of insulation, 4 inches. Underneath that is a layer of 6 inches of sand and a grid of reheat piping to prevent frost from going down. And this construction here, we are part of the building trades. This was constructed here with local union labor, from pipe fitters to carpenters to laborers to everybody that's involved in the field, iron workers, the whole 9 yards. So again, this project here, bringing to you one of the finest facilities, one of the finest ice rinks in the country, was built by all union labor. Oh, we did UMD, yeah, UMD, St. Cloud State, you know, the super rinks, and we've been around quite a bit down here. The Grand Rapids rink, that was built back in the late 60s, and we did a conversion over there to take the old R22 system out to tie in both ice rinks. And the Grand Rapids rink, again, is anhydrous ammonia, very efficient refrigerant, environmentally friendly, and we built a central plant for both arenas.
This is the Grand Rapids Hockey Arena, and starting next week they're going to take out all this concrete. They'll take out all the old pipe, put in a brand new stuff. It's all plastic, more efficient, and it should last longer. Well, this is the ammonia system. That's the chiller. Can't really see it from there, he's in the way. These are the pumps that pump the water through the system. This is a big compressor skid. There's the ammonia tank right there down the bottom, and there's the oil pod right there. And the chiller will be set outside, and that's going to make the ice. This 3-inch pipe that I'm working on is to tie into a heat exchanger to go into a pit where the Zamboni, when it scrapes the ice, it heats the snow and melts it so it don't sit there and be frozen the whole time, so they can get rid of the ice. This is where they dump all the resurface ice into here. And all this pipe down here stays hot, so when the snow comes in there and it melts.